So in the spelling assessment in your Google Classroom, there are two parts. You have an audio link and you have a Google Sheet. You're going to need to open these up.
This recording is for Student List 1.
So you can hear the audio here. You're going to also need to open your word wall assessment. Open your word wall assessment and it goes to a new tab. You're going to need to click on the tab and drag it so that you make two windows. Then you can make this window smaller by holding the bottom left corner of your touchpad and scrolling so that it's much smaller. That way you only have the word list. Then when you go back to the audio, in that window, you can resize that window the same way. Click in the bottom left corner and hold, and then scroll with your finger to resize. Now I have the audio clip in one window, and I have my list ready in another. Looking at my list, I want to make sure that I am in cell number 1 to start. See the numbers here at the side? They're going to tell you if you are in the correct cell. The cell then highlights with a blue line borders so that you know you're in the correct cell. When you play the audio clip, you will hear the word read, the word used in a sentence, and then the word repeated. As you listen, you're going to type the word into the correct cell.
This recording is for Student List 1. Please start in cell number 1. Your first word is able. Are you able to type this word, able?
Now when I type the word, look what happens when I move to the next cell. The cell changes color. The cell is smart. If I have spelled the word correctly, the cell will be in green.
Move to cell 2. Please spell about. This assessment is about seeing what words you already know. About.
Now, when I move to the next cell, look what happens. This time it turned pink. That means I did not spell it correctly. So this is a word I will want to highlight on my word wall to remind me that I need to check the spelling. You will continue listening to the recording and work through this list. There are 25 words, and so when you get to the bottom, the cells get dark. Remember to make sure that you are always in the correct number cell, because if you're not, then the words will automatically turn pink and be wrong. These are smart cells. Remember not to peek. You want to find any of those words that turn pink, because in this case, a mistake is a good thing. We're going to use it as a tool to help you learn.